Assalamu alaikum, I am Tahira Rubab, and today we are going to talk about those who become victims of sexual abuse. Their psychological condition deteriorates significantly, and the things that are commonly observed and can help us understand what someone might be going through include: usually a child or an individual may have a strange, flat expression on their face, indicating that something painful has happened to them, which is difficult to handle. You can often see fear and anxiety reflected on their face, and their eyes may appear completely empty, as if there is nothing inside them, or they may show a lot of fear. We often see that victims experience a significant amount of isolation in their social circles. Children, females or males, usually withdraw from their social lives and start to experience loneliness. This leads to a situation where they become more prone to crying, and the concept of not crying becomes very common. This is often accompanied by feelings of shame, as they believe that what happened to them was their fault. Shame and guilt are very common feelings among such individuals. They start to think about how they will face people, and they tend to avoid confronting others out of fear that people will judge them negatively or think poorly of them. Sometimes those who are victims of sexual abuse experience they often wake up with fear, and start looking around. They mentally shy away from fear that arises from past experiences. Such individuals may repeatedly relive the trauma they face, which can lead to severe psychological issues. This is not a trivial matter. Being a victim of sexual abuse or assault is a significant issue that can take months or even years to overcome. Many people spend their lives trying to recover from it and may never fully heal. It severely impacts their mental health. We see that they lose their confidence, struggle to communicate fearing that people might find out about their past. Is there something that made them realize, or did someone tell them that something like this happened to me? Such issues are very prominently visible in people, and when we see that these individuals start their marital relationships, they face a lot of difficulties in establishing intimate relationships with their partners. This difficulty can stem from trust issues, as they may struggle to trust their partner. When they try to be physical or intimate, they might repel or push their partner away. This can especially happen in the relationship between a husband and wife, where they may have developed a hatred towards intimacy, perceiving it negatively, and feeling a lot of dirtiness associated with it. They might also hold back due to past harassment, fearing that the intimate act could lead to a repeat of their previous abuse. They might feel as if they are being assaulted again, which can lead to feelings of being raped or similar emotions. This is why they often cannot build a healthy intimate relationship. Furthermore, such relationships can lead to mistrust within their own families, and they